So I decided to go with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus again. So this is a $25 plus tax subscription box or bag. And I'm glad they didn't do the box because I was like, with all the space, they could do like bigger products. So now they have a bag, and this is the theme is good vibes. Nothing to tell what the products are, nothing. And it comes with this bag, and it feels cheap. It's corduroy and just feels really light and cheap, but I really like it. I really enjoy it. So what came smushed was a brush that's complex culture. It came squished, but the brush is fantastically together. And this is pressed and set bronzer. I probably won't use it for bronzer. I'll use it for like setting powders. And that's what it looks like. Very big, very nice face brush. I have swatches from the last video I just did. Makeup tutorial, doing my eyes, that fun stuff. Okay, what they picked out for me, so that I picked this. What they picked out was another squish box. This is gold faded MD problem photo damage skin brightening elixir. This is a protect and repair serum. So that's what it looks like. And these are pretty expensive. So this bigger box and this little serum. This will be nice. So 1 fluid ounce of this serum is really nice. I'll definitely use that. I love skincare, taking care of my skin at nighttime. It's just the best. And let's see, they picked out, so they pick out 2 items and you pick out the 3 items, and it was okay. The items to pick, it was okay. Gets 2 skincares, which is nice. It's Per Heals by Nature Village, and this is an eye cream. So that's a lot of eye cream, very squishy. Yeah, this is 1.01 fluid ounce. This is really nice. That's a lot of eye cream. That will last like a full year, probably. Maybe more. Okay, next I picked out by the item Lash Snack mascara. It's a lengthening mascara and it comes with this bag. I didn't see a lot of people chose this, and I guess there's like a lot of different varieties to choose from. So everybody got like different. That's probably why they didn't customize the card, the sheet. It's very nice. Not weighted at all. It's very light. But I'm excited to try this mascara. I will not be opening them. I'll put it actually back in the bag, but it's really nice mascara. I don't know any prices. And last was this palette, which is cute. I love this brand. It's Surfing by Tentacles. I don't know. But everything is great. Like, I love this brand. Okay, I opened her up, and this is what the palette looks like. Very cute. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It comes with it clear. And this is what she looks like. Isn't that pretty? very excited. I've been going on like a neutral look kind of vibe. So I'm excited to play with this and use it as a palette bingo. This is what the silver looks like. Where to wipe. Alright. You got this brown shade. Very nice. So these two are from this palette. Sparkle. It's like this pinky tone. Very cute. I can't wait to play with this and the blush. I think they're both blushes, or like ones are like a bronzer. No, maybe it's a blush too. So I got these two blushes right here. Very nice. So I'm excited to play with this palette. I really like the size of it. It's really nice. It's like almost the same size as the Hip Dot palette, so that's really good. And I like the mirror. Pretty good. This bag was pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.